what's going on YouTube? It's Joel and Bank with Freedom Flippers. We're just on our way to a big book sale, or we think it's big. We'll see how it goes. We're just documenting our journey, just showing you guys that anyone can make money flipping books on Amazon and just how easy it is. Alright guys, so we're here at the book sale. Bank, how much are we going profit or revenue?
Do revenue.
Revenue. Okay, how much?
Estimate revenue.
What's your estimate of revenue that we're gonna walk out of here with?
I think we're gonna come up with $1,500.
$1,500?
Yeah, and we're gonna spend about $100 or $200.
Okay.
This is my prediction.
Okay, I haven't been to this book sale before, but Bank has, so I think I might be a little pessimistic and say
You want one?
I have my other mask here. I'm gonna say $1,200, but just for.
Yeah. For sure. And by the way, last time we spent $100,
and we did 16.
We did $1,600.
And things are cheaper here too, right?
Cheaper here.
Yeah.
And we'll see.
And also, we're not just looking for books. We're also looking for
anything viable.
anything that we can sell online and make us some money.
Yeah. So this is Saskatoon book sales. So it's pretty big. Go inside. Okay. As you can see, there's a lot of books here. Okay, we're not gonna talk anymore. Eh? We're just gonna go do some work and then we'll let you know what we can find.
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
This one is good. So we're gonna pay $250 for that one. So we'll go $250. I'm using a different app than Bank. This is called Scout League. It's a Canadian version pretty much of Scout IQ. Well, you can also use it in America, but Scout IQ is the better app if you live in the States. I'd recommend Scout IQ. But if you don't live in the States, this is the app to use. I just got a Bluetooth scanner and a headphone. So yeah, speeds up the process quite a bit.
What's the profit on that?
So our profit it shows us the merchant fulfilled price, but also shows the offers at FBA. So I would match this with the FBA price, and then we'll profit $30. And it's got an average rank of 200,071 to 178,000.
Nice.
So it's a good find.
Hey Joe, look what I found. $90 use, rank 200,000. Okay, let's go see.
Let's see how much profit we're gonna make on that.
$3. It costs $3. Brand new 130. $73. Okay, Joe, what is the total?
The total is, so we got back we scanned all the books and DVDs, and our total is $2,629 in revenue.
Wow.
So we spent $166 on this, and we're gonna turn it into $2,600.
Yeah. Expect like Amazon fee to be about like 20% with shipping and the fee. I'm assuming. So we still make a lot of profit.
We'll still make a lot of profit.
I think we spent like maybe an hour and a half like searching for this book.
Yeah, probably. It was those bigger book sales are a little more work. Scanning.
But still, an hour and a half. But we still have to do a little cleanup and then list them. Probably gonna take us about an hour.
Yeah.
An hour to send it out.
Also, I think a good thing to point out is when we were scanning the books, probably for the first half hour, 45 minutes, we maybe got 2 books. I didn't get anything for a while, and you had 2 or 3 books. Yeah. But then you keep going, and boom. So if you're going out and you're scanning at a thrift store or a book sale, and you scan 10 books and you don't find anything, you got to scan everything.
Yeah. So gotta keep going.
Yeah. There's always something to flip.